Hi, this is Coach Brian from your York-Seaford Bulldogs. Today we're going to discuss the GoArmy Edge football application and our use of it for Bulldogs football. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to set up your team in the GoArmy Edge football app, find plays from our playbook, and view those plays in both 2D and 3D. This is only an introductory to the application and will not make you an expert. Perfect execution on the field is a result of knowledge of the playbook, practice, and execution in the game. The GoArmy Edge football app provides coaches and players an opportunity to learn the playbook, visualize execution, and mentally rehearse game day scenarios. The objectives for this lesson are to introduce you to the GoArmy Edge football application, set up or join a team in the app, find those plays in our playbook, and view those plays in both 2D and 3D. The application has many more features that we will not cover during this lesson, but will cover in future lessons, from designing drills to mentally rehearse prior to practice, to also making a full offense or defense playbook. When you log on to GoArmy Edge Football, this is the screen you will see. On the top left will be GoArmy Edge Football, which is just the site that we're on. In the center will be information about my account, and in the far right will be a small eye and a black circle, which is additional information. If you click on that, you have help, which discusses the three areas in the center block, contact for user support, video, which allows you to record everything you're doing on the screen, and the info button just merely tells you about the application you're using. For setting up teams, we will not use this. So in the center column, we will move down to Teams. We will click Add New. We will merely type York-Seaford Bulldogs, our zip code, and enter our name. And then we will hit in the top right Submit. Now it's creating our team for us to use. So you can see I have 3 York-Seaford Bulldogs teams on here. You can join and create as many teams as you want. And if you hit the back arrow and go back to my account and then hit teams from the initial login, you'll find all your teams located here. The next task, once you've set up or joined your team, is to find your plays within the GoArmy football application. So from the center screen, I will hit Personal Playbooks. While that's loading, it will take you to this screen. You hit View Playbooks. And I've already set up, based on our offense, a playbook called Wing T. And I will hit Wing T. And it will load this screen where you can change personnel groups from 2 wide receivers to 1 wide receiver, the formation you're going to use, how you're going to huddle. You can build plays, build routes, or build drills within the Wing T playbook. For here, we'll go to plays. So as you can see, I've already built one of our staple plays, which is the Buck 36 Go. On the screen, you have the play in the left corner, Buck 36 Go. Over here, you can delete the play from the playbook, rename it, copy it to another playbook, print it, or add play to a drill that you plan to run in practice. For this, I will just show you how to view the play in 2D, which is what is currently on the screen, and then in 3D. So in 2D, you merely go down to the bottom left-hand portion of the screen, and you have a play button. You have a screen that shows the timeline for the play, everything that occurs before the snap of the ball is in red, everything after the snap of the ball is in blue. So we'll hit play to show you what it looks like in 2D. Once you've done it in 2D, you may want to view it in 3 dimensions. And this allows players to see themselves or a character of themselves executing the play. So I'll hit 3D down in the bottom left, and it takes me to this screen. By merely using the mouse to scroll up or down, I can zoom in or zoom out for the field. As you can see, we've set up a 4-3 defense. We have all of our players numbered or using letters for their positions. And then we can, as we did with the 2D, go down and hit play to show each responsibility for the play. I hope you enjoyed this short introduction to GoArmy Edge football application, and that you were able to get a brief understanding of the application and how to set up your team, how to find plays in our playbook, and how to view those plays in both 2D and 3D.